Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sister Dr. Juliet Wangui Macharia, a gynecologist and a fertility educator and a medical management doctor. Today we are going to learn more about FEM. FEM means fertility, education and medical management. It's actually a knowledge-based health program that helps women to understand more about their own bodies. Women, we are so special. God created us in a very wonderful way. We are wonderfully made by God. Our whole system was made in a very natural way. And the association between the brain, the ovaries, and the whole system of the body helps women to become, by understanding what is happening, it helps us to know what is happening in our own bodies. We become masters, we become doctors, we are able to manage ourselves. We are able to pick the pathology that things are not okay. Things are not working well. There must be something. Why am I overbleeding? Why am I not getting my cervical mucus? Why do I have pain? Why do I have pain during sexual intercourse? Why do I have excessive pain when I'm bleeding, during my menstrual bleeding? But so unfortunate, we women don't understand anything. Some women come to us and they even don't know when was their last normal monthly period. Some don't even understand when they conceived, which month. They can only say the month, but they cannot tell the date. Some even don't know when they got their last cervical mucus. They don't understand how their bodies work. But FEM is here to help us women to be aware of what is happening in our own bodies. God, the greatest scientist ever, created us in a very wonderful way. But despite of it being wonderful, but we have several factors which can affect this natural way or the natural cycle which is made in each and every woman in this planet. FEM will help you as a woman to become master, to pick any pathology as early as possible and to seek the medical advice before things become chronic or they become worse. When we come to fertility awareness, it is not women who want maybe to conceive. It cuts across each and every woman in her puberty, during her the young adult, and even at her own old age. It cuts across all these ages. So we are talking of women in their reproductive, the premenopausal women, and even the menopausal women. We need to become masters of our own body. A woman who does not understand herself doesn't even know when changes takes place in her body. She doesn't even understand. FEM tries to help us to understand the science between the brain, the ovaries, the endometrium, the cervix, and the whole body. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you relate with others, the way you relate with your husband, with your children, tells us more about your cycle. The menstrual ovulatory cycle is not meant only during bleeding. I always say it is a day in, day out life of any woman. So, if you don't relate well, if you're a woman who is full of anger from Monday to Monday, a woman who does not have that lovely motherhood, a woman who cannot embrace her own children, a woman who cannot even give a smile, a woman who is always complaining. You are always a complainer. From morning to evening, you just complain. A woman who is full of jealousy. A woman who is not God-fearing. A woman who doesn't care. A woman who does not even care about herself. You find women walking naked. You find women seated anyhowly, despite the environment where she is. You find a woman just talking carelessly. She doesn't care. You look at this woman, you get to understand that something is not okay with her menstrual ovulatory cycle. It's just the way we live. It tells you about what you are. So the menstrual cycle is here to help women to understand in depth what is happening in their day in, day out life. So, fertility education and the medical management will help you to understand more about yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe and learn more about what a woman needs to be, or what does it mean to be a woman. And even understanding factors and pathologies related to what we are supposed to understand. So do not forget to subscribe, and please continue following me in my channel. God bless you, and let's keep in touch.